Hello guys, in case you are 𝐲𝐬 supplying channel. So today we have this Bobcat. This is a very good one. So this is a S450. This is a one the clan asked for. So we are making the sourcing for the clan. As you can see, this is very good. So this one we sourced this one here in China and we found it today. This is very good. We spent around a month looking for this one. This is especially for the clan, but this one you can see is a little bit old, as you can see this one. But the factory here, they will work on it, they will change the pan, they will make it as a brand new one. So guys, we will come back here after 1 week or several days to check it again. All will look like brand new, like this one. Look brand new like all of this. Yes, it will look brand new. So we will change the paint. There's some part inside we have to change. So I will call them. They will try to start the engine. I will hear the engine. I will check it. I will do everything on that. So guys, so this is for our client. I think it's good. It's not that bad. This is the year 2017. It's not that old. I think the working hours also is not that high. So we check all of this soon. So guys, you stay tuned. Let's go. 你拍天掉吧。你留在车里的吧，你别动。
都把车开到里面去。
他别动，我们弄下去了。
我怕你给他卖到非洲了。
别怕，就。可以了，你帮我手机啊，去大 OK。
应该是
没电嘛？
吃都不反应呗。是我技术不好，他就专业了。
等一下，等一下。哎，你往下一点。喂，对，他可以把这个喷漆动动的啊，这里面多转一点。哎，你看一下。 OK， 行。哦，可以了，有翻译的。
我的功能是
在录了对吧？
在录啊。
啊，在录了，在录了。
要么 might give my mic. Okay, guys, so we make a little test of this one, okay? Okay. You stay tuned. Let's go. 𝐬𝐮𝐻𝐬 𝐷𝐴𝐻𝐿 service. 你说我先把这个 OK 走，然后我把这个都对不对？好 OK， 然后这个是怎么上来的？我把这个OK OK。这是哪年的？这老款。
这个0405吧。
405。OK。So guys, they take it like this and they work it on it. They make it like it's brand new. They change all the parts, everything. So if you need this one, they can quote you at a good price and they work on it. 你干嘛？
发南美的，South America。
OK， 那就好。
He wants to get it。
这个轮胎，这个轮胎都
现在
有点开裂了，我都要掉皮了。
要打漆。
黑漆19年。
嗯。
OK， this is the year. You can see. OK。行，这19年 OK， 行，我都拍几个给他看。